Okay, we're going to make some strawberry ice cream now. So I got my mix measured here. I'm going to pour half of it into the machine. And I'm going to save some to wash down the rest of my ingredients because I have to put strawberry puree in here and some vanilla extract. You should always add vanilla extract to whatever flavor you're making because it enhances the flavor. And get all my strawberry puree in there.
Hey Dad, talk about how making ice cream, wait, don't pour that in yet. Dad, don't pour that in yet. Talk about a little bit about like how you're adding things, how making ice cream is more of an art than a science, and we teach people how the different recipes and how the things can affect the overall product of the brand.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest of my mix in. Okay, so I've got my ingredients in there now. I'm going to go ahead and turn my machine on. Turn it to freeze. When my light goes on, I'm going to push start. And I want to freeze down my product. Now when you make your own ice cream, you're making a signature product. It's going to be your product, where people can only get it at your shop. You are an ice cream chef. You have control over the quality of the product, the different flavors you can make. When you get a batch machine from us, we supply you with recipes. We can teach you how to make any flavors of ice cream that you want. We have recipes. We provide you with a recipe book. There's all different manufacturers of the ingredients of the product. And each manufacturer has a suggested recipe for every flavor that they make. The ice cream mix itself does not come with recipes. When you buy ice cream mix from an ice cream mix supplier, you just buy a mix. The flavor manufacturer is a different story. They usually have recipes that go along with the flavor that you buy from them. We have a lot of different recipes. We probably have a recipe book this thick that we could provide. This is a 12-quart machine, so I'm making 1 tub of ice cream. If you're really going to be in the ice cream manufacturing business for an ice cream shop, you really should have the 24-quart machine so you get 2 tubs at a time. Because if not, you'll be making ice cream constantly if you do any kind of volume at all. So for making ice cream for an ice cream shop, you're better off with the model B24, which is the 24-quart machine. Now, what we have here is I got my 14% unflavored mix. I added 1 ounce of vanilla extract, and I added 1 quart of strawberry puree. I'm going to freeze this down, and when it comes out, I'm going to add my fresh packed strawberries to the product.